All right, guys. I'm back in my garage, and I'm here with the car I just picked up. Show you the car. Y'all can probably hear it. Well, not the car itself, but I got the E46 here in the garage, and I got it on a charger because the battery is completely shot. But I honestly don't think this charger is doing much. I honestly don't think this battery charger is doing much because nothing's happening when I'm charging it. It's stuck at 60%. So I think the battery's cooked. Charging it though is because like at the auction, I was able to start the car and now it's not starting. So I'm thinking maybe the starter went out, but I got the car inside and the battery's completely shot. And like I also broke the key. See the keys in pieces over there. But that's whatever because I'm gonna fix the key and I don't know. I'm gonna get the car running. Get the car running good. But right now, I low-key want to try and start it while that charger's on it, or try and hook up another battery. See, I got a car behind me, I can hook that up, but I have a couple batteries over here just sitting. These are kind of small. I mean, that one at the bottom's big. I think that's from another BMW actually. So, might give that one a shot. But let me put this glove on before I put my hand in that car. That car is absolutely filthy. So, all right, guys, it's the next day, and I got the intake manifold off, as you can see. So yeah, this sucked. This sucked real bad. I mean, not really. It's just a little time consuming if you don't know what you're doing. And I haven't done this in a while, so I didn't know what I was doing. So it was time consuming. But it's off now. And let's see. I'm about to take the starter off. Starter's still in there. Haven't taken that off yet. But yeah, I'm gonna take that off soon. I'm trying to figure out what else I'm gonna do since I have the intake manifold off. Like I'm thinking about deleting the CCV because, you know, just getting rid of shit that can fail. And this car has 202,000 miles on it, so just deleting stuff that, you know, could fail. I don't know when it was replaced last or if it's been replaced. I mean, granted, some of the stuff in here looks good, but I don't know. You just don't know. I just rather not take a chance. Already got the intake manifold off. So now I'm just yapping, so I'm gonna just get into taking that starter off. So what's going on, guys? We're back with the E46. I know it's been a very long time, but maybe not for you guys. It's been a long time for me. I don't really work on this car. But let me just catch y'all up to speed. I fixed the misfire issue that would occur after driving for like 10 to 15 minutes. The fuel filter vacuum line was unplugged. So that's plugged in, brand new vacuum line for that. So no more misfires on that end. What else? What else did I do? Started cleaning out the interior a little bit because this car is filthy. Got most of the engine bay buttoned up back together. Oh, new water pump as well. New water pump because the last one literally took a shit on me. The pulley is damn near about to fall off. But the cooling system was, well, after doing the water pump, you got to bleed the cooling system. So there's that. But now I'm trying to mess with the car's interior because the passenger side door still does not open from the inside and or outside. So I checked all three of those fuses. I haven't checked the relays yet, but the three fuses are good. Another thing I noticed when working on the car, so I was cleaning out the interior yesterday and I noticed the hazard button stopped working. And this button wasn't working either. But I realized I took this out to see if the switch was compromised and it's broken. So if I hold it together, like it falls out of place. So I gotta get a new switch. And if I do the same thing with the central lock button, you can hear the relays and you can hear it wanna try and unlock. So I think, well, I obviously got to get a new one of these. And I think it might be possible to get this door apart. I should be wearing gloves, this car is filthy. But I think it might actually be possible to get this door apart today, or this door open. So I'm gonna give that a shot. I'm gonna set it up on the tripod and see how that goes. So, switch is bad. We know that. So what I'm gonna try and do is I'm going to try and oh, there we go. Oh yeah! Guys, I just got the freaking door open. Guys, I just got the freaking door open. So the switch is freaking shot. You see the bottom half is like falling apart. So what I did, I was spamming this while holding it together and unlocking the door, because you could still hear the door latch mechanism in there. So I don't know why it got stuck. I think I'm not going to close this door for a while. I'm going to find something to put in here so it doesn't close, and take this door card apart and take the rest of the car apart so I can actually like deep clean it. One step closer to getting this car ready for the road. I also have like a little issue with the ignition switch, and my key's broken. So I gotta like use those pliers over there to twist the key over there. You know what I'm saying? Like it's really not a good thing, but I'm gonna work on that. My ignition switch might be bad, so this car's got a whole bunch of bad switches, as you can tell. As you can see, what's next? See, I guess I'm gonna get I guess I should take the door card off and then worry about getting the interior cleaned out, because door is more important. So let's do that. Alrighty, guys. So I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This is what I'm gonna do for now. I put this little drill bit in here so this shit won't lock at all. The switch itself is bad, so I took that out anyways. Gotta replace this. I'm gonna get like some electrical cleaner, spray that, because the previous owner, see this goop right here? Like this was like all over the place. I don't know what it was. The guy liked to smoke a lot, but it's everywhere, so I'm gonna just spray it. Clean those contacts. But for now, I guess I'm gonna just get the car stripped apart so I can deep clean it. What's going on, guys? It's December 8th, 5 days after I shot the last clip. And, you know, this car is a work in progress. So it might take me some time to get these clips out. Hopefully 2026, that won't be the case. Probably try and pump out more videos for y'all. But I forgot to mention when I was going over the vehicle that my hood flew up because I forgot to latch it down like an idiot. Flew up, destroyed the hood struts, shattered the windshield, but it's all good because the car runs and drives. The door is still openable for the most part, you know. Interior, like I scrubbed the carpets a little bit, scrubbed the doors a little bit, you know. but the car does start, so that's all that matters. The car starts, the car runs and drives. I just gotta get my title over here. My title had to go back to Texas. Had to go back to Texas, but it should be coming back by the end of this week. You know, like I said, the car starts, so that's really all that matters. No new key yet, because I am a bot who doesn't know what to do. But like I said, car starts, revs. Got a 5-speed in here. But that's the E46 for now, guys. I'm gonna shut this off so I don't kill myself. But hopefully next video we get some mods going for the car. Hopefully I can take it on a longer drive because I'll have like plates for the car. And yeah, that's just the E46 for now. It's just gonna be the little winter car. New Jersey, always the East Coast, supposed to have the coldest winter, like the most snow ever on Earth or something like that. Something stupid, but hopefully the E46 will get me through the winter, so I don't gotta drive the GR. But yeah, that's the E46 for now. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like. If you want to see more, please subscribe. If you have any suggestions for anything I've done to the car, or maybe any suggestions for like the GR86 and like any content ideas, just leave a comment, because I really don't know what to record. I don't know what people want to see nowadays. But yeah, that'd be really helpful. Like I said, you enjoyed, just do one of those things. I don't feel like repeating it. Y'all have a blessed day.